video will cover the basic operation of GoTo and the charge case and how to connect GoTo to your phone. When you open the charge case, it will turn on automatically. Pop GoTo into the charge case. Then press the record or mode button to wake GoTo up. Press the record button to start shooting. And hit the record button again to stop shooting. You can use the charge case to control GoTo remotely from up to 33 feet away. Alternatively, you can use the camera independently to control shooting. When GoTo is off, long press the action button for 1 second. The camera will turn on and automatically enter standby mode. In standby mode, single press the action button to start shooting a pro video. Press the action button again to stop shooting. You can also double press the action button to start shooting a time shift. And hit the action button again to stop shooting. When you're done, long press the action button for 2 seconds to turn off GoTo. Lastly, we'll show you how to connect GoTo to your phone. First, turn on GoTo. Open the Insta360 app, then tap the camera icon. Swipe left until you see GoTo. Then tap Connect Now. Choose your device. If you can't see your device on the list, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings page to manually connect to GoTo's Wi-Fi, then return to the app. When connecting for the first time, follow the instructions on the charge case to confirm the connection. Or just tap the action button on GoTo itself to confirm the connection. Once you're successfully connected, you can preview your shot, control shooting, and playback footage via the app.
AKASO Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.
Engineered with industry legend Leica, featuring dual 1-inch sensors for unparalleled image quality. A camera to elevate your videos to the next level. A stunning 6K 360 that shoots 21 megapixel photos with immense clarity and in breathtaking HDR. Because whether you're exploring in bright light or low light, every detail counts. The invisible selfie stick disappears like magic, revealing amazing third-person views. With 360 reframing, every angle is at your fingertips. And with industry-leading image stabilization, the journey has never been so smooth. A comprehensive tool for content creation on the go, and water-resistant for epic adventures. ONE RS 1-inch 360 takes you places you never thought you'd go. Only you can define what's possible.
AKASO V50X action camera features touchscreen and 4K 30 frames per second video. It records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. You can set the view angle depending on your needs between 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees. Equipped with the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to remotely control your camera? The V50X is for you.
Bye.